Okay, we are going over the homework on projectile motion here. So we got a quiz on this tomorrow. So let's make sure we know what we're talking about. After 2 seconds, a ball is tossed in the air from the ground level, reaches a height of h feet given by the function right here. Okay, so h will be how high it ever goes. T is the time that it takes to get to that height. What is the height of the ball after 3 seconds? Well, that's easy enough. What am I supposed to do with 3? For what? T. Yeah, it's a time. So the height of my function at 3 seconds, that's what that notation means, will be 144 times 3 minus 16 times 3 squared. So now I just do the math. 144 times 3 is 432 minus 16 times 9 minus 144. Subtract those two things from each other. I get 288. So that's how high this ball is at 3 seconds. Could you do a question like this tomorrow?
Yeah.
I hope so. You should be including your units. We're in feet. Now, part B says, what's the maximum height the ball will reach? That's easy to see if you have a graph. I don't have a graph of this. Should you graph it? You could, but that's a waste of time. What can I do instead? Where can I find the maximum height?
We have to find the vertex.
Yes, it's at the vertex. Now the vertex has really two numbers associated with it, an x and a y. So how do you know which one is going to be the maximum height?
The y-axis.
Correct. So the vertex will always get you the maximum or the minimum point. So it's always an x comma y. The x value is time and the y value is height. So when I find the x coordinate of the vertex, that's time. That's not how high it ever got. I would need the y coordinate of the vertex to find that height. So anyway, who remembers how to even find vertex? If this is my equation. Correct. Negative b over 2a. Now be careful. I'm going to rewrite this thing down here. H of t equals 144t minus 16t squared. What's a in this? In this equation right here, what is a? Someone said it. Negative 16. It's whatever is in front of the variable being squared. That's a. This is not written in standard form. You could rewrite it if you wanted. Right? If you want to put negative 16t squared first and then plus 144t. If that's easier for you. That's fine. Whatever you gotta do, make sure that you know that negative 16 is a and then what's b? 144. So when you go to do negative b over 2a, you gotta make sure that you're putting the right numbers in the right spot. So if I want negative b, I should be doing negative 144 over 2 times a would be a negative 32. So when I do that math out, I get 4.5. What is that 4.5? What does that mean? So it's the time it took the ball to get to its maximum height. That's not the answer yet. I'm not done. Right, I have to plug that back in for time and see how high I got. Alright, you all have calculators, so it's not a big deal that it's 4.5. 144 times 4.5 minus 16 times 4.5 squared. Gets me at 324. Right, so all I did was take 4.5 and I plugged it into my formula for t. And I just put it all on my calculator, let the calculator do the work for me. before you go on, ask yourself if it makes sense. Before I even did the problem, I should have known I should be getting something bigger than 288. Because it got to 280 after 3 seconds. So, unless, like, if I got answer 150, well, how could that make any sense if it was 288? Right? If I'm for the maximum height, it should be either 288 or something bigger than that, right? Right? How could I have gone to 288 if 288 is not the biggest? Anyway, so I get it 24. So is the reasonable answer? Yeah. Sure. Is 24 a reasonable answer? Yeah, it's bigger than 288, so that makes sense. Make sure, don't give me this answer, 'cause that's not really anything. That's the point. You should say the max height is 324 feet. I need to know that you know which of these numbers is the important one. Now, part C. After how many seconds will the ball hit the ground before rebound? So, in other words, the ball, remember what happened? Here's the ground. The ball got, thrown? Whatever. Thrown, and it comes back down, and it lands back on the ground. I'm looking for how long did this take for that to happen? Any idea? I'm gonna find that out. How? What do you mean find the I am looking for the X coordinate right here. Yes. I know the Y coordinate is gonna be right here. Don't I? 0. This is back around. So what I can do, I can put in a 0 for the height. So 0 equals 144t minus 16t squared. That's gonna get me answer when that ball comes back and it's the ground again. So I plug in 0 for height. Now, how do I solve t here? Well, remember, guys, the quadratic is equal to 0. Whenever you have a quadratic, you need to solve with 4 different ways to do it. Going by square rooting, back in quadratic formula, with square root. What do you do first? Yeah, can I back out with 16t? I think I can. Yep. So I'm gonna get a negative 16t. Doesn't even really matter down here. You do just hold through. I don't want to scare it. How? What do you mean? Yes, one of them is 9. You said each factor equals 0. So negative 6t equals 0. Negative 9 plus t equals 0. And I solve each one. Oops, that was really sick. Divided by negative 16. One of my answers is 0. The other answer, add 9. I get 9. Now, are there 2 answers for this right here? No, but I just found these really are. When you solve a quadratic, it's the 2x intercepts. There are 2 x intercepts over here too. So start on ground time with 0. That's really my starting point. So I didn't want that answer here. I wanted it started. Got back to the ground 9 seconds later. So, the way that they're asking this question, they don't want to know at what times was the ball on the ground, because it's not like 0 and 9. They don't want that. Hey, how many seconds after the ball's hit, it rebounds, so there's going to be my 9 seconds. So, after 9 seconds, does anybody see some other I don't know, relationship between these questions? I know the answer to say more into it. Did anybody ask? Well, you all should have done it. Anyway, Look at B and C. Do you notice anything about the two of that? Uh, no. Wait, what do you mean even? No. I want to look at what the work we did for B and what we got for C. There's a relationship between B and C. No. Okay, go ahead. Hey, if I go or whatever, I get on the ground and back on the ground. You already found the vertex. You already had that happened at 4.5. Doesn't make sense if it's 4.5 go up, 4.5 come down. I knew it was be fine. I will hold you anytime you're going to the ground back to the ground. You don't always do that though. Sometimes you throw a rock off a cliff, right? So you throw a rock off a cliff, and you try to do the same thing. It's not gonna work. Right? If you try to double the time that I got to the time point, you only get to here. You will get down and into the ground below. So, that's a nice little trick that works. When you go from the ground back to the ground, your vertex is exactly halfway. It's gonna take the same time to go as it's there. But it's only for round, not for something like this. You know what I'm saying? This is a totally different ballgame. It's really superb. I don't have both my sides. Makes sense. Alright. So let's check the last page. What is going on the last page? Oh, a rocket this time. Oh, golly. Some pairs. Okay. A rocket carrying fireworks, one from hill, 8 feet above. The rocket will fall into the air, exploding at a maximum. Oh my gosh. Projectile above the circle given by the show. Okay, so this is gonna be another just explaining. So you're not going from a ground to level ground. You start uphill. You have a lake. And there's a hill by the lake, right? And so they're gonna launch these fireworks. This is my firework. Woo! And it's gonna go up and it's gonna come down. Oh, it's terrible. I can do better. That's better. Okay, here's Brock and go. This is where it's magical. There. It's better. Okay. Alright, so rocket will flake and exploding at my right but they're flaking this. Okay. With the right F1 what are you supposed to do? Yes. So we should be point 40 so that everybody the correct answer of wait, for sim A was the answer. Oh. Why? That's correct! See, 140 feet. B. The maximum height reached by the rocket. The maximum height. The rocket. Yeah, this equation is pretty given in standard form. Should is negative b would make 4 over 2 times a b negative 32. That comes out to be positive 2. So the maximum 2. No, that means I did not get the maximum height. Right, that's time. I plugged back in. So negative 16 minus 2 squared is 4 64 times 2. Let's see. Get me maximum height of. But this is against 140.
Oh,
You are right.
so I finished.
Oh. 154 is correct. That's what we got. But yeah, I'm sure where I keep it right it's because we're at 3. So maximum height has to be more bigger than that. This is 44. So max height 144. Maybe it's the round. There are types of problems that are projectile motion, but like there'd be like a funny problem where you're say your car terminal you feel your car in a match. You speaking for the person in one. Nice. Alright, so we can be after someone that can enter okay. Oh, we're gonna put it here. Why do more? Yes, height gonna be 0. Let's hit round. The case. Right? Yes, 0 here. Yes, for height. Height is now 0 and have negative 16 squared plus 40 plus 80. That's a question I have asked you 100 times. It's a journey not to solve. You halfway it. Square root it, can you hear? Now, actually, let's try. I bet we can. I bet we can better, but I just. Alright, so everybody negative 16 curves easier. So we have t squared minus 4t plus 5. Alright, now I have this, so that's the after the first I have to get a force. Wait, negative. Minus 5 and plus 1. So my answers are. Negative 1. Now, hold on. What's one time? So, the answers of the ball. Remember the ball answer D. This is an integral as a little years. Correct first. Okay. Right, I can't get it on the so, you're 5. Why do I get a different doors back this right here my text the small corner playing me would I have a little if I was zero wouldn't sing it it was a true ride like going forever and it was I had two answers but in the real world I don't have time so I just but I don't have a role that again makes sense here. Oh, give her a mercy. Here, here. Oh, I'm waiting one because the fence to the summer. So I said this answer. Is that a problem you do? Good. Shut that wall. Rise from building. The distance between rock and ground there's even blah blah blah. And the road is 307 feet from now. Okay, so here ground there's a song and a rock. I got down tall and the rock and the ground. He seconds from him there. I'll enter the box on is it really so I'm a figure out I know how there goes, but it's someone just gets shit. This is where everyone is. I wanna figure out how long to get from my road. Read through the 7 feet. What in the world will fit that? No. Oh, it's an 8-bulb lamp. I smell the feet. Well, how long to the I'm looking what kind of snack? So I can't guarantee that's what I'm trying to figure out. So there's reason in the called where I was where I talk. I don't watch you the set. So I to be all here. I'm here to drag on. I'm trying to for the time. I hide the of the or whatever is busy. I'll read me for just see. I'm gonna solve for next to when 3 how worlds are this? And I didn't go close. Yeah, I always first. One holy for project, I'm is again. I'll be off. I have left my negative 4. Bullets are 40 plus T in 3. I have self-track. Sure. I'm quickly I it's out of this. When some says a word, I see cheese is one. For 1, 4, 2, 3, whatever. Trinity positive 1, how 3, positive 4 and 3. T4 E and positive 4 and negative 3. There's more to measure equals 0 plus 1 quarter minus 3 quarter and 1 minus 1 equals negative 1 or is 4. So, have winners, negative 1 and 3 fourths. Correct. Because again, negative 1 I flew away. So long did it take 3/4 of a second. Wow. You think you could do it reckless. You never mind.